Not impact their work or how they respond to fires.
A new report finds deaths from heart attacks are down nearly 90% over the past 50 years, but researchers at Stanford University say deaths from all other types of heart disease have actually risen over 80%.
That includes hypertension, arrhythmia, and heart failure. The study says possible risk factors include obesity, physical inactivity, and poor food choices.
Southwest Airlines considers airport lounges and more high-end changes. CEO Bob Jordan said the discount carrier is also thinking about offering more premium seating and long-haul international flights. It's all part of the airline's plan to cater to more high-paying customers.
Tammy Trujillo reports last summer, Southwest announced it would be getting rid of open seating and would start charging for checked bags. It's 8:45.
Who would have ever thought? Coming up at 8:50, we will update the forecast into the weekend and get you to work on time. Let's check your money next. It is sponsored by Jeep Services, and here is Bloomberg's Nancy Lyons.
NVIDIA shares have hit a new high, cementing it as one of the most valuable companies in the world. NVIDIA shareholders had a meeting Wednesday, and CEO Jensen Huang said the computer industry is just at the beginning of a massive AI infrastructure upgrade. Micron, the largest U.S. maker of computer memory chips, says demand for its AI equipment has lifted its forecast for the current quarter. The company is on track for record revenue this year. It's pursuing sales growth now in electric vehicles and gaming chips. BP saw its shares jump more than 1.6% on a Wall Street Journal report that it's in talks to be bought by its rival, Shell. Those reports, though, were quickly denied by Shell.
Two economic reports just out from the government. First, the U.S. economy shrank by fully 0.5% in the first quarter of this year, largely because of businesses surging imports before the biggest of the tariffs took effect. At the same time, the number of jobless applications in the last week is down. Number of layoffs remains low despite those tariffs going into effect and the effect they might be having on businesses. On all that, stock futures are up bits ahead of the opening bell, which is just about 40 minutes from now. 8:47. Is this you or are you opposed? Experts in new research finding that PDA, you know what that is, PDA, public displays of affection with your spouse or significant other, are actually linked to better satisfaction in your relationship, even if they do make other people feel a bit uncomfortable. They asked 450 people about this, about their public or private displays of affection, negative attitudes about them, and how they actually react to seeing people do this in their close proximity. Well, the analysis found that things like holding hands, kissing, or cuddling, both in public and privately, were linked to better relationship satisfaction, improved well-being,